Stop saying this. You've been making this mistake your whole life. Most learners say, I'm agree, right? Wrong. And today, I will show you 5 English mistakes that even advanced speakers keep making, and how to fix them fast. Stick till the end. Mistake number 5 will blow your mind. Hey everyone, I'm Hossein, your English coach. I've been teaching English to students from more than 20 countries, and I keep hearing the same little mistakes. Mistakes that can make your English sound unnatural. So today we'll fix them one by one with fun examples, pronunciation tips, and quick quiz at the end. Let's go. Mistake number 1. I'm agree. That's wrong, because agree is a verb, not an adjective. You don't need am. The correct sentence is I agree. For example, I'm agree with you. That is false. You should say I agree with you. So think. If the word ends with ed and describes your feeling, like I'm tired, then it's okay to use am. But agree is an action, not a feeling. Mistake number 2. He told that. That's wrong, because tell needs an object, someone. You must say who you told. Correct form is he told me that he was tired. And he told that he was tired. That's false. If there's no person after tell, you say instead. For example, he said that he was tired. Mistake number 3. I didn't know. Wrong tense. After did, the verb must be in base form, not past. The correct form is I didn't know. For example, I didn't know the answer. That is false. I should say I didn't know the answer. So did already passed, so the next verb stays simple. Number 4. I'm boring. Careful. That means you make other people bored. If you feel bored, say I'm bored. For example, I'm boring in class. That's false. I should say I'm bored in class, or the class is boring. Number 5. People is. It's wrong. After people, you should use are, not is. For example, people are nice here. Remember, person, that means one. People, that means many. Now, answer my question. What's correct? A. The people is friendly. B. The people are friendly. So, tell me in the comments. Alright, now let's see if you remember. Comment your answers below. Number 1. I didn't. The answer. 2. He, me. That he was tired. Number 3. So right now. I'll reply to your comments with feedback, so try it. If you made even one of these mistakes, congratulations. You've just learned something that most English learners never fix. Save this video, share it with your friends, and practice saying the correct forms. And hey, if you want part 2 of English mistakes you never noticed, hit the subscribe button and comment part 2 please. I'll pick 10 comments for a shortcut in my next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, no one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.